Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. 6th grade English for Palestine 6B. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab from the Palestinian School and let's start. Good Manners, Unit 17, Period 5, page 60. Please open your books, page 60, and let's get started. This is our page. We have three activities. Activity number 1, read and think, complete the sentences with the correct words. Activity number 2, think and write the correct answers. And activity number 3 is a speaking activity. Before we start, let's revise the previous lesson, which was about adverbs. Adverbs. An adverb is a word describes a verb and comes after it. For example, speak clearly, write carefully, talk quietly. Talk, write, speak are verbs, and clearly, carefully, quietly are the adverbs which comes after the verbs and describe them. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. For example, quiet, quietly, loud, loudly, quick, quickly, rude, rudely. Now let's answer activity number 1 on page 60. Read and think, complete the sentences with the correct words. Please pause the video, try to do the task, and then check your answers. We will do the first two together, then you can do the rest by yourself. Number 1. Ben and Amy are waiting polite in a queue. Ben and Amy are waiting polite in a queue. Let's describe how they are waiting. They are waiting politely. Excellent. Number 2. The boy doesn't notice the queue. He is pushing in rude. He is pushing in rudely. Very good. Now please pause the video, try to do the rest, then check your answer with me. 3. The girls are talking loud in the library. How are they talking? They are talking loudly. Very good. 4. Rania and Omar are reading quiet in the library. Rania and Omar are reading quietly. Very good. Quietly. We change the adjective into adverb. 5. Mr. Ali says the boys were playing noisy yesterday. The boys were playing noisily yesterday. And the last one, Amy is not writing careful. The teacher wants her to speak clear too. Writing or is writing. Amy is not writing. What do you think? Careful will be carefully. And the teacher wants her to speak clearly. Very good. Hope you answered all of them correctly without any mistakes. Check your answer and let's move to the next activity. Think and write the correct answers. Number 1. How is the old man walking? This question is very important. The answer, walking slow he is. So we have two tasks in this activity. We have to rearrange the answer and then we have to change the adjective into adverb. He is walking slowly. We rearrange the sentence and we change the adjective into adverb because we are describing a verb, not a noun. Number 2. How did the boy answer the questions? He, them answered correct. Subject, verb, complement. He, the subject, verb answered. He answered, complement them or object. He answered them. How did he answer them? He answered them correctly. Very good. Number 3. How did they climb the mountain? Climbed the they safe mountain. Subject, verb, object. They, excellent. Climbed, very good. The mountain, and we will change the adjective into adverb. They climbed the mountain safely. The last one, how did the boy run in the race? Look at the picture. Ran he quick in the race? He ran quickly in the race. He ran quickly in the race. Check your answers and make sure you answered all of them correctly. Revise this question because it's a very important question. Activity number 3, it's an activity about speaking. Ask and answer questions about good and bad manners in the classroom. What should you do and how? Try to do this task with your partner or one of your family members. Thank you for your attending. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab from the Palestinian School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.